Good morning, June 14th, 2021. I have, if you can believe it, good news for you this morning. Well, you see for yourself with a little bit of critical thought and you know there's something wrong with the news. Apparently, we've been able to cure the common flu that we annually would get, and they've spent billions of dollars on flu shots, etc. And my guess, apparently, it's been cured by very simple, wearing the masks occasionally, the way people are, few are wearing them properly, and also by social distancing. Now, these numbers are coming from the federal government, so we're taught we're supposed to believe them. But on the site there, well, it's you can go to the site yourself and see it at the link below. We'll bring this up a little closer so you can read it a little better. Sir, Flu Watch. Now, we'll take a look at their respiratory virus detection surveillance system and just take a couple of weeks here. Well, this week, and if you look in here, that they have tested a number of people in the last reporting week throughout Canada, total of 6,000 people, and no sign of flu whatsoever. Now we'll go back to more, shall we say, during when one would have expected the peak of the flu season. So we'll just, at a random date, I haven't looked at this one, we'll take March 20th. And we'll take a closer look at that page. And, well, this one, they tested almost 22,000 people for that week. And guess what? No flu. Well, typically, the middle of March, you would expect quite a bit of flu. So that apparently we have succeeded in curing ourselves of the flu, which I find quite amazing. After all these years, they suddenly, in 1 year, can reduce it. And well, just take a look at what else they say about the flu here. That okay, from the okay, here we are. Laboratory confirmed influenza detections. Now, to date, I believe this is actually cut off in March or February, or possibly April. To date, 72 influenza detections have been reported. When you compare 72 to the average over the same reporting period of 51,508, I would say that there's something wrong with these numbers. That somehow it's just, well, frankly, it's just not believable they've been able to cure the common flu so easily, so quickly. And if they were successful, I guess you could say it points to incompetence at their part, that they spent years and billions of dollars with expensive vaccines, which were of questionable value. And all they had to do was tell people to occasionally wear a mask and keep social distancing, and bang, the flu is gone. I'm sorry, when I look at this and think about it, there's something missing in any possible concept of critical thought.